Hey there, Brysen from Bold Commerce. Today I'm going to show you the difference between an upsell and cross-sell within Bold Upsell. To recap, an upsell allows a user to replace a trigger product with a bigger or better version, while a cross-sell allows you to add an additional product alongside a trigger product. Cross-sells and upsell offers are great because customers get more value on their order and you as a store owner gain more average order value. In a previous video, I demonstrated the setup of an upsell offer and showed the storefront example of a coffee bag upselling to a coffee bundle. In case if you didn't get the chance to see the upsell offer, here's a quick preview of what an upsell offer looks like on the storefront. Without further ado, let's return back to the Bold Upsell admin and show you how to create a cross-sell offer. On the dashboard of Bold Upsell, select Offers, then Create Offer. First, under Basic Information, you'll need to set a name for the cross-sell offer. This is an internal name that will help you identify this offer between other offers within Bold Upsell. For my example, I'm going to use Coffee Machine plus Smart Grinder. Next, under Upsell Offer Flow, select Set a Trigger. In the list of trigger events, we previously were only able to create an upsell offer on the Add to Cart trigger type. However, with cross-sell offer types, we can create a cross-sell offer on any trigger events type available. For my example, I'm going to use Add to Cart again. Under Cart Options, I'm going to keep cross-sell as my selected choice, and under Trigger Products, I'm going to trigger specific products. If I choose trigger and upsell on every product that's active in my store will act as a trigger. If you choose the trigger product option for select products, you will need to select at least one product and/or variant using the select product page. In my example, I'm going to use a Bold coffee machine as my trigger product, then select continue with selected products. As a friendly reminder, if you are looking to select a particular product, you will need to uncheck the Group Variants by Products checkbox and then select the Search button. Then select the variant or variants you would like to act as your trigger product. Once you are finished with selecting your trigger products, you will need to select Set an Offer under Upsell Offer and set a title and description for your cross-sell offer pop-up. In my example, I'm going to use something generic for the title and description, then go into the product selector once more and select a Smart Grinder for my offer product. Some conditions that are available for a cross-sell offer will display in the offer options section. The first option allows you to determine if you want your customers to choose more than one offer product in the same pop-up modal, while the second option allows you to control the quantity of how many of your offer products your customers can add in the same pop-up modal. Next, under the conditions section, there are two conditions that allow you to set when you want the offer to start and end based on your store's local time zone, as well as display only when a certain cart value has been met in the cart page. This allows you to set up certain purchase conditions, such as offering a cross-sell offer when the cart is below or above a certain dollar amount. Lastly, under additional options, you will have some additional settings available. These settings allow you to link product names and product titles to their product page, hide products that are no longer have ample inventory, or if using Bold Discounts version 1, remove the offered product from the cart if the trigger product is also removed. Once you have finalized all of your settings and configurations within your cross-sell offer, select Save Offer at the bottom of the page. Once the cross-sell offer has been activated, you can go to the storefront by navigating to a trigger product or select a trigger product using the magnifying glass on the Manage Offers page, then selecting a trigger product title. This will bring you directly to the product page where you can add the trigger product into the cart and view your cross-sell offer. As shown in my example, I have a Smart Grinder appearing in the cross-sell offer pop-up, and if I add this product, I will receive not only the coffee machine, but also the smart grinder as well. And that's all there is to it for creating a cross-sell offer. For more information on creating a cross-sell offer, please visit our support page at support.boldcommerce.com.